Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Where am I? Backyard. Okay, we're in a back patio actually. Patio area, if you want to call it that. Anyway, never mind that. Look what I got, some chicken wings. I want to tell John Rivet Gardner, this cost me $7 for all these wings. I don't know how much you pay for wings. He says wings are expensive where he lives. You got to tell the poultry suppliers up there, wings ain't crap. Anyway, we're not talking about you today, John. We're talking about my buddy Spinelli. Spinelli, as you know, is the owner of the YouTube channel called All Wings Everything. And Spinelli says that he's got the absolute best lemon pepper wing recipe ever going. I got some nice big lemons, which I've already juiced 3 of them over here. Got the juice of 3 lemons right there. And this is Spinelli's recipe for lemon pepper wings, and I think I'm gonna like it. You got to get that restrictor off of there, I'll tell you, because it's too much trouble. This is lemon pepper seasoning that you get at the grocery store. This is Lowry's. The grocery store has its own brand. And what Spinelli does is he puts some lemon pepper seasoning right on the wings. And I wash the wings with white vinegar just to make sure you get any bacteria that's on them. You want to get that off there. You want to put a generous amount of lemon pepper seasoning on your raw wings right here in this bowl. A little bit more of that. So a good bit of lemon pepper seasoning on the wings. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning in the lemon juice. And I think that's the secret of Spinelli's recipe, is that he marinates the chicken overnight in lemon juice with that lemon pepper marinade on there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to dump this whole thing of lemon juice on the chicken that's already got lemon pepper marinade on it, and it's got even more lemon pepper marinade in there. I want to get all that goodness out of there. Then we want to get the chicken where it's all submerged in the lemon pepper marinade, like that, like so. We want that chicken to sit in the fridge overnight and soak up that lemon pepper goodness. Then tomorrow we'll come out here and I'll get my rotisserie going, because I don't have an oven. All I got is this rotisserie. We'll get the rotisserie going, we'll get the wings on, and it's going to be good. I've never had lemon pepper wings. I always get the hot wings. And Spinelli just came out with a recipe where he does this, then he puts buffalo sauce on top of it. And I thought, should I do that recipe? Because that sounds better to me. But then I thought, I want to do his original recipe, because I want to see what he's talking about when he says he's the prince of lemon pepper wings and the king of wings and All Wings Everything. Go up in the iCard, subscribe to All Wings Everything. Tell him the Rootboy sent you. Very important that you do that, so he'll know where his subscribers are coming from. Anyway, we'll get these on the grill tomorrow and get them cooking. Stay tuned. My chicken wings are well marinated in that lemon pepper seasoning with that, and they marinated all night in that lemon juice. So now what we got to do is get them in this rotisserie basket, because that's how I cook my chicken wings. I like to cook them on the grill on the rotisserie. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side, because there's 10 of them. And they're looking pretty good already, Spinelli. Looking pretty good. This is going to be one epic recipe if it comes out like it's supposed to. Let's get this on here. Get these wings going. One more. There you go, 10 wings. Got it in my rotisserie basket. We're going to get that on the grill and get it spinning, and I'll show you what that looks like so I can say my famous catchphrase, you just can't beat my spinning meat. Stay tuned. So like I always say, you just can't beat my spinning meat. It's pretty awesome stuff right there. Takes about an hour to cook chicken wings this way. I don't have an oven, so I got to do it my way. Anyway, we'll come back in about an hour and we'll finish this up and take a taste and drink a beer, so stay tuned. The wings are done. I got them in this Tupperware bowl. And we're getting ready to do my favorite part of any Spinelli video. We got some melted butter with some more of that lemon pepper stuff on there. We're going to spoon it over the wings. Get them all wet up once again with that lemon pepper seasoning and some melted butter to shine them up a little bit. He said not to pour it over there, just to spoon it on. And it's very important that you gotta have this one accessory. You gotta have this Tupperware bowl with the red lid, because you gotta do the most important part. You gotta do the shaky baky. Shaky baky, shaky baky. That's my favorite part of one of Spinelli's videos. Let me get these plated up. We'll get a beer and take a taste. Stay tuned. The wings are done. There's the Frosty Rootboy mug. Here's today's beer. Today's beer is Samuel Adams Crushable Sam 76 Refreshing Lager. This is Samuel Adams 76 Lager, 4.7% alcohol, totally sessionable ale. Is it an ale? No, it's a lager. Lager. This is what Budweiser could be if they didn't care about profits over taste and value. Sam Adams Lager. Good stuff. You know, I usually drink an IPA, but for today I thought for these wings we would go for a lager. Sam Adams Lager. Don't that look good? That's a nice lager. There's a whole blurb about here. We created a brew that you can enjoy all day long without sacrificing flavor. Alright, I'm down with that. Hey Rob, you like chicken wings, Rob? How about the dog? I bet the dog would chow down on some chicken wings, huh? Can't let him have the bones though, right? Yeah, I guess not. Okay, anyway, let's take a taste of this. Let's take a sniff of this Sam Adams Lager. Sam Adams, right? Yeah, Samuel Adams. Smells great. Smells great. I bet it tastes great too. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff right there. Let me get my wings front and center, and we'll get a taste of one of these awesome lemon pepper wings that Spinelli claims are the best in the world. Let's take a taste of that. Well, I gotta say, these are excellent. Wow. Got a great lemon flavor. Sorry. A wonderful lemon flavor, peppery and delicious. I can't stop eating it. That's an awesome recipe. You know what I always say, babies? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out my man Spinelli. I almost said boy. My man Spinelli, he's doing it up on all wings, everything. Go subscribe to him. Tell him the Rootboy sent you. Make some of these lemon pepper wings for yourself. They rock. They're awesome. Let me tell you what. You got to try this recipe. It's awesome. It's probably the best lemon pepper wings or lemon pepper chicken you'll ever have. And you could do this with a chicken, you know. You don't have to do it just with wings. It could be lemon pepper chicken. Anyway, come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Okay? Bye.